Editing the sidebar in WordPress allows you to customize the content displayed on the side of your website. This includes adding widgets, changing layouts, or removing unnecessary elements. Here's how to edit the sidebar. Access the sidebar widgets. Go to the WordPress dashboard. Log into your WordPress admin panel. Navigate to Widgets. Go to Appearance, Widgets. This section allows you to add or remove widgets from your sidebar. Edit the sidebar. You will see a list of available widgets. Simply drag and drop the widgets into the sidebar section, or click on existing widgets to edit their settings. Customize sidebar layout. Go to Customizer. In the dashboard, go to Appearance, Customize. Adjust sidebar layout. Some themes allow you to change the layout of the sidebar. In the Customizer, look for the layout or sidebar settings to adjust this. Use a plugin. If you want more customization options, consider using a plugin like Elementor or Widget Logic to control widget visibility or design more advanced sidebars.